Press the bell icon for all the updates.
I'm just not behind him. That's the only thing.
Well, that's how we put it. Unfortunately, you are actually forefronting this. So, इससे पहले कि मैं अक्षय से पूछूं, honestly, was it your first choice when you were thinking about this story?
No.
No.
No, actually, Balki convinced me that Akshay should play this part.
And how do you feel? आपको कैसे लगता है कि हर बार ये कुछ statement बनाती है and it becomes international news, like being on BBC and talking about this very topic, you know?
Imagine what happens at home. मैं घिरा हुआ रहता हूँ ये statement से. So, but every day is a great day, and every day I get to hear so many new things. I get to learn so many things because she reads a lot and she knows a lot. It's so much fun, you know. I must tell you, when we have to go to meet a doctor, and the doctor is talking, and she takes over the doctor, and she starts telling the doctor, listen, she uses these kind of words. Even the doctor goes, I have seen the doctor getting scared when she talks. Nahi, bas, Akshay, akele aa jana, biwi ko chhod dena. It becomes a very scary thing for a doctor also.
And the pink panties, वो कैसे लगा आपको?
Well, कैसा लगा वो आप फिल्म देख लेना कैसा लगा.
Well, I have to say that to depict this character, you needed somebody extremely convincing in that role. And seriously, from the time she's entered cinema, she's been redefining what she can do. And Radhika Apte, that way is, like I keep saying, you're so apt, apt hai. You know, whether it's Badlapur, whether it's Phobia, and of course, being with Rajini sir in a film, let's have her on stage. There are very few people who make us laugh through films in every scene, and Chini Kam did that for me, very rare film. And of course, he makes the women in the films look good, just as good as the heroes do. Thank you, Mr. Balki, for being such a classy director. Please come up on stage. राधिका, अक्षय जी बहुत बड़े prankster हैं, तो इससे पहले कि हम फिल्म की बारे में बात करें as a girl and all of that jazz, कितने pranks play किए हैं, कितना आप हंसी हैं, and what all has happened?
That's true though, Akshay. You're constantly playing pranks. He's constantly playing pranks. And तो मैंने ऐसे ठान ली थी कि बाल्की और मैंने बोला था कि एक दिन मैं prank play करूँगी. So actually, I don't know if I should say this on the.
You planned it?
I hid a tampon in my sari, okay? And instead of a pad, I came up with a tampon to tell him that I have this, so I don't need your. But he came up with something else already, and. Which is very, anyway, but he had already prepared for that, so he had an answer for that, and my prank just fell flat completely. But he's always prepared, and he surprises you all the time, and I think that's what keeps the spontaneity alive, and I think that's why you enjoy it so much, and the unpredictability of every scene, how many ever times you're doing it. So it was really great fun, Akshay, working with you.
Thank you very much for being part of this film. So now let's start question answers.
Question answers? Yeah, sure. Everybody's. Alok, are you going to do the honors?
Yeah. Hello. Hi, Akshay sir.
तेरे को माइक क्यों देते? तेरा A से नाम चालू होता है इसलिए?
सर A से भी शुरू होता है और A से भी शुरू होता है, तो पहले ही आ जाता हूँ.
अच्छा. ठीक है. आलोक बोलो.
ट्रेलर पहले हमने देखा, बेहतरीन. ये गाना काफी इंट्रिगिंग है और इसके जो लिरिक्स हैं वो काफी आते हैं कि तेरे पावर का बिल अब मेरा हो गया और मेरे घर की चीज़ें.
एक्चुअली तो सही बात है, जब शादी हो जाती है तो पिन कोड का नंबर भी तेरा मेरा हो गया. अब actually do we have the lyrics?
One second. This song truly belongs to these two people. Please come, Amit Kausar. You can ask them questions about such things.
If you can tell us.
Yeah, Amit and Kausar are behind the music of this film, and the other songs are as good as this one. So you can ask them.
तो मैं कहता हूँ कि मतलब गाना काफी अच्छा है, दिल को छूता है, तो जिस तरीके से आपने लिखी. अक्षय सर, कल भी हमने आपको रेड कारपेट पे देखा और आपके लुक की काफी तारीफ हो रही है और इंडिया का, भारत का, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का आपको जॉर्ज क्लूनी के नाम से कहा जा रहा है. किस तरीके से ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेते हैं? जो भी लेटेस्ट लुक है आपका ये.
हाँ नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है वैसे. वो तो बहुत बड़े इंसान हैं. To be called a George Clooney is a very big compliment. So मैं इसे बहुत अच्छी तरह लेता हूँ और बस that's it.
और सर कल एक और ISD तारीफ हुई है आपकी बिल गेट्स साहब ने टॉयलेट की तारीफ की काफ़ी, तो आप तक वो बात पहुंची?
वो भी मैं भी कल एक्चुअली स्टेज पे था एंड आई सॉ ऐसे फ़ोन ऐसे देखा मैंने तो तो उसमें बिल गेट्स का नाम आया. सो इट वाज क्वाइट इट्स अमेजिंग दैट वहाँ बैठे बैठे लोग देखते हैं. लेकिन बस यही है कि हमारे देश में और सुधार आना चाहिए. वैसे तो पहले था करीबन 1-1.5 साल पहले 54% ऑफ इंडिया वाज ओपन डेफिकेशन was the problem. Now it has come up to around 34%. So things are moving, and I hope with this also, with the problem which we have for using sanitary pads in India, we have that problem of around 82%. Am I right, Balki? Yeah. 82% of women don't use sanitary pads, and with the help of everyone, with the help of media, with the help of the government, and with the help of a little bit help of this movie, that the whole number comes down because it is a very essential thing, and that's it.
ट्विंकल में मैंने किताब तो पढ़ी है, और अक्षय सर का जैसे आपने जिक्र किया कि बाल्की सर ने सजेस्ट किया, बाल्की सर कैसे जहन में आए कि इस फिल्म को वो ही डायरेक्ट करेंगे?
तो तुम्हारे पास कोई आइडिया, तू बता दे.
नहीं सर, मैं जानना चाह रहा था क्योंकि ये सवाल
पूछ रहा है तो तू ही बता दे यार कोई. और मेरे हिसाब से तो यही थे.
नहीं, ट्विंकल मैम से ये सवाल था कि मैम.
So once, I came across Muruganathan's story and I wrote that. And when we decided that in order to reach across borders, across states, across religions, there are only two things that work in this country. One is cricket and the other cinema. Now, cricketers have their own pads and they're very busy with that. So we needed cinema, and there was only one name that actually came to mind. There were no other contenders. There was just him. And I've seen a lot of his films, and I feel that, he's a sensitive filmmaker. He understands women, I think partly because of his wonderful wife, Gauri, who I admire, and I think she's a very good influence on him.
Very quiet.
And I really didn't think there was, anybody else apt for this aside from Balki.
हेलो अक्षय सर, ट्विंकल मैम.
ट्विंकल जी, मैं आपसे खड़े होकर ये क्वेश्चन कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं दिल से आभारी हूँ कि आपने इतनी अच्छी फिल्म लाई. लेकिन जिस तबके के लिए ये कहानी है, और जो औरतें पैसों के अभाव में पैड्स नहीं खरीद सकती, जिसके लिए उन्होंने इतना काम किया, वहाँ तक ये फिल्म कैसे पहुँचेगी? क्या आप लोग उनके लिए कुछ स्पेशल शोज रखेंगे या फिर?
जी देखिए, ऐसा है कि इस फिल्म को जैसे हमने टॉयलेट के साथ भी किया था, हमने कोशिश की थी, हमने दूरदर्शन पे दिखाया था, हमने अब तो बल्कि आपको मैं एक बात बताऊं कि हमारी सरकार बहुत इस पे काम करी है कि पेन ड्राइव लेके हर विलेजेस में जाके टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा दिखाई जाती है, सो दैट पीपल कैन सी इट, दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो उसी पैमाने से इस फिल्म को भी वैसे ही लिया जाएगा. एंड आई होप, मेरा मकसद ये नहीं है कि फिल्म में हम पैसे कमाएं. मेरा मकसद ये है कि हमारा मकसद ये है कि फिल्म को लेके कई जगहों पे जाया जाए जहाँ पे इसका असर पड़ता है और जहाँ पे इसकी ज़रूरत है. तो ये मैं काम मैं खुद करूँगा इस काम को लेके, और पूरी सरकार की मदद लेके करूँगा इसको.
I'd like to add, like yesterday, we've even spoken to the various ministries, and we are going to make sure that schoolgirls, principals, all see this film, so it penetrates where it has to. And what at least I'm hoping, and what we are all hoping, that if nothing else, a conversation starts where the same girls who can't afford sanitary pads can now go to their parents and say, look, we don't need fairness creams, we need sanitary pads because we need to go to school so that we can get into the workforce. And that's all we're really hoping happens.
Hello, Akshay sir, Twinkle ma'am to your right. Hello, Akshay sir, Twinkle ma'am to your right. Akshay sir, you're to your right, Twinkle ma'am. It's a fantastic trailer and a very nice song. Congratulations about that. Russell here from Moviefied. What I wanted to ask you, Akshay sir, is your recent films, whether it be Toilet, now Padman, before that there was Airlift, then Gold. They are all coming good social issues or real subjects mixed with quality entertainment. So as you're maturing as an actor, are you consciously moving towards this zone in order to make people think and also entertain them?
Well, I'm enjoying this. And plus, at the same time, I'm enjoying commercial cinema also. I'm houseful bhi kar raha hu main. So I have all kind of movies. I love doing movies. And yes, these kind of cinemas attract me. And I enjoy it. And it gives me satisfaction. as an actor, as a human being. So I do all this. That's it.
Twinkle ma'am, my next question is to you. It's a pleasure seeing you on stage after a long time. What I wanted to ask you is that you earlier said that Akshay wasn't the first choice in your mind for this role. So while conceptualizing this, whom did you think of? Usually an image comes to your mind. Did you think of anyone?
Are you trying to make trouble in my marriage now?
No, not at all.
No, sorry. That is just...
You already said this now. There's already trouble.
Just for the film.
And all that is my right choice. I'm not...
Just for the film, did you think of anybody initially?
No, I did think of a few people. But again, the thing is that if, if we have somebody who the Indian public idolizes, and men look up to, and he holds a sanitary pad, then it's completely a game-changing event. So I think Akshay, and after seeing the movie and what Balki has made Akshay do, of course Akshay is very talented himself, but Balki's brought out the best in him, I have to say.
Covering every front right now, so it's fine. Cool.
But I have to say that I don't think anybody else could have played this as wonderfully as Mr. K here.
I just want to thank Akshay at this point, being a part of the Fem Force. Thank you कि आपने ये फिल्म की और एक्सेप्ट किया. और दूसरी बात की आपकी हर एक फिल्म की, टॉयलेट की भी लाइफ टाइम उतने व्यूज़ नहीं हुए हैं ट्रेलर के जितने इसके 4 दिन में हो गए. 40 million views. Can we really clap for this? Because this is a subject that's kind of taboo. आपने फिल्म में इंटरेस्ट लिया, yes, but why do you think इतना इंटरेस्ट सामने से आया है?
अर्चना, मैं बल्कि पहले भी बता चुका था. करीबन 3-4 दिन पहले की बात है. मैं वैनिटी वैन में बैठा हुआ था और वैनिटी वैन के बाहर ही करीबन 7-8 लड़के खड़े हुए थे. मेरे 50 साल के एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने कभी नहीं देखा कि 7-8 लड़के मिलके खड़े होकर सैनिटरी पैड के बारे में बात करते हुए. तो मुझे लगा सबसे बड़ी बात थी सैनिटरी पैड के बारे में वो लोग बात कर रहे हैं एंड देयर टॉकिंग कि यार ये मतलब आज तक मैंने लड़कों को, आई एम श्योर, मैं यहाँ कितने लोगों को मैं ये पूछ सकता हूँ, किसी ने हाथ में कभी सैनिटरी पैड पकड़ा? आप मीडिया में से पूछता हूँ, 1-2 बस वही होंगे. लेकिन बट ये हम भूल जाते हैं कि कितना ज़रूरी है. एंड आई एम श्योर कि इस फिल्म और इतने जो व्यूज़ हैं, हिट्स हैं, इसके बाद लोग अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे मतलब बता भी सकते हैं कि जब आपके पीरियड्स होते हैं आपको यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर द किचन, एंड मतलब अगर बैठने जाए तो बहुत सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस हैं. आप अचार को हाथ नहीं लगा सकते, आप पापड़ नहीं तल सकते, पता नहीं क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं. सो ये सब चीज़ें जो है जो ढकोसले हैं, ये सब आई होप इस फिल्म के बाद आराम से बाहर आना शुरू हो जाए.
Twinkle to your left, hi. Okay, Radhika obviously is playing a great role. We are seeing that in the trailer. But कभी आपने सोचा कि आप play करें अक्षय के साथ on screen और acting में comeback करें?
मेला दिलों का. So yeah, I'm better off.
अक्षय आप चाहते थे?
Not many people understood that.
Yeah. So I think I'm better off on behind the camera.
Okay, Radhika, if you could share your experience working with Akshay, with the whole team.
I think I was just very thrilled to be a part of it because the subject is so sensitive, and the way they were putting it out was in a very honest way. I mean, the script had the instant relation with the public or the audience or the reader, and I also think that Akshay was actually a perfect choice to play the part, because the way he's played it, his innocence and his passion for what he's trying to do in the film is so genuine and so honest that you get completely hooked onto it. So I think I learned a lot. It was a very different experience for me. I've been a big fan of Balki's films, and it was. I'm so grateful to be on this project, and I'm a big admirer of your work as well. So it was like everything worked for me, and of course the part I had to play was the exact opposite of who I am, which Balki kept telling me that this is not you, is exactly opposite. So he had to really keep me in check, but it was a lot of fun.
Okay, before you ask, I would like Balki's. Gauri, come up. Gauri, come up.
No, you're the force. Come.
Yes.
And I think Balki, who's written and directed this wonderful movie, should really say something because this is his baby more than any of ours. So
The one thing Akshay and I've learned is we can't talk when she's around. So we don't. Normally we're quiet. And the only reason why we're quiet is because she's here, not for any other reason. She covers most topics. What do you want me to say?
Talk about the movie.
Ah, okay. I don't think she had anybody else in mind. You can't have Akshay Kumar on your left-hand side and can expect to have somebody else in your mind. So he actually asked me, "You're sure you want me to play this?" So I said, "How else will this move? Why would people see this film otherwise?" That's the first question I asked him. I mean, I think he's absolutely the right guy to play it. But the only thing I was sure is, that point of time, all we knew was the life of Muruganandam. I wasn't very sure of how to make it into a film because I had to write it first. To figure out whether the script would be right for the film. And once I wrote the film, once we all kind of saw the film, how it was going to come up, then I was clear that this film can be made, actually. That was very important because this kind of a subject can easily go into a very, preachy, documentary kind of a feel. It has to be an entertainer. It has to be just an entertainer because people don't come to the theaters to receive messages. They come to the theater to enjoy themselves. So in the process, if they get a message, if they learn something or they take away something, that's fantastic. But it's all about entertainment. It's just people come to laugh, people come to cry, people come to be touched, people come to engage themselves. That's all that there is. And it is a family audience that we're talking to. And we're talking about a subject like this to a family audience. So it has to be entertaining. It just can't, reach only those people who are going to be social do-gooders or something like that. So we were clear about that. So I was absolutely sure this film would be made once we had done the script. And Akshay was a no-brainer. Okay.
ट्विंकल जी, आपके सामने नमस्कार रेखा खान नवभारत टाइम्स से। सबसे पहले मैं आपकी पूरी टीम को, अक्षय जी को, बाल्की सर को, राधिका जी को, सबको बहुत सारी बधाई देना चाहूँगी। बहुत ही कमाल का सब्जेक्ट है। ट्विंकल जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, इससे पहले अक्षय जी एक टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा पर एक मुद्दे वाली फिल्म लेकर आए और अब ये फिल्म है जो कि इस दौर की सबसे ज़रूरतमंद फिल्म है। इस दौर की ऐसी फिल्म है कि जो कही जानी चाहिए। लेकिन मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि महिलाओं से जुड़े, औरतों से जुड़े ऐसे और कौन से मुद्दे हैं जिन पर बात की जानी चाहिए, जिनको हमेशा कहते हैं ना कि छुपा छुपा करके रखा जाता है।
As far as women, we've actually just begun our journey. And we've begun a journey of wanting equality. And we've begun a journey where we, as you can see all over the world, we are not going to be discriminated because of our biology or our gender. So I would say that there are lots of things that we need to work towards. One is that there is an inherent, thought process, a mindset, even that liberated people have about while they're raising their daughters. And as well as inculcating the right values in your daughters is very important, what values you inculcate in your sons. So I think that is a process that we need to start, and I think it has begun.
ट्विंकल एंड राधिका, आपसे सवाल है कि आपके सेंटर में राइट में आप दोनों से सवाल है कि अभी हाल में ही सोनम कपूर ने भी ये बताया कि उनके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो थी नानी, वो मना करती थी किचन वगैरह में जाने से। तो आपके घर का क्या माहौल था और आपके पेरेंट्स ने कैसे इसके बारे में आप लोगों को जानकारी दी? दूसरी बात, आप अपने आगे के जनरेशन को कैसे एजुकेट करना चाहेंगे? और दूसरा सवाल ये है कि अभी भी सैनिटरी पैड्स वगैरह को जब भी आप मेडिकल स्टोर वगैरह में जाएं, अभी भी वो एक है कि न्यूज़पेपर में एंड प्लास्टिक में रैप करके देते हैं। तो इस सोच को कैसे बदलना चाहेंगे?
आपने माइक ही नहीं रखा अपने पास।
I'll just quickly repeat that. She's asking what were the kind of values installed by your family and how are you going to change that in the forthcoming generation? और जब अभी भी हम लोग जाते हैं कोई मेडिकल स्टोर तो वो उसको कवर अप करके देते हैं सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स को। तो
yeah, okay. I come from the family of doctors and तो मेरे घर पे मुझे पहले ही बताया था कि पीरियड शुरू होने वाले हैं। So I knew about that. So when my period started, I knew that this is what is going to happen, and I had to go home. And my mother threw a party. And I got my first watch on the day of my period started. And all of my family members, friends came home, and we had a nice celebration.
So you were never embarrassed about it?
No, I mean, I did cry because, it's very it's scary to see so much blood coming out of your body.
Yeah.
For the first time, and so I was crying, but everybody was giving me gifts, so I was quite happy, you know. So I have made a conscious effort even after that, because when I used to, in spite of all this, when I used to go to shop sanitary napkins, I used to feel a little embarrassed in the beginning, and I used to be like, oh, should I? Like, how do I do this? So I decided one day I'll go and I'll very loudly ask them. You know, just to get over my own inhibition. So I just went and said, "वो Whisper का वो packet देना." I'm not endorsing any brand here, but I'm just saying that वो packet देना. And purposely I said it loudly, and since that day it sort of completely changed.
Yay!
Yeah.
No, but it happens even today. I mean, it's like you should be asking the men too a question. I'll tell you why. Because we were shooting in New York, and Gauri had sent me some pictures of some pads to get from there, because a particular thing which is supposed to be very good there. So I went to the shop with the picture, and I've done this many times. I mean, it's not the first time I'm doing. But so I went to the shop, and I was searching for this. I go to the shelf normally. I know exactly where it is. You know, go there. This bloody thing was not available, this one thing. So I was searching around the shelf, and I met a woman who was there. I said, can you just take me, where are all the pads kept, all in this place? Yeah, all there. Then she came back after 2 minutes. I was still trying to search, not ask her. Then I had to go with the picture to her, and I said, where do I find in this? The first thing she did was giggle. You know, she giggled at me, kind of, you know, searching for pads. So there is a thing, and I was not embarrassed. Okay, but I think she was embarrassed that I was not embarrassed. So it's a funny kind of a thing, you know, so how to do this. And it's a strange thing. And you must ask us men a few questions, because this is a film where a man is taking up this issue. Okay, women know about this issue, women are going through this issue, but it's men who are insensitive, don't even have a clue about this whole thing. So this whole film is about how to raise awareness amongst the family, amongst people, of course amongst women, but how many more people can help them. For example, I mean, you should ask us, how did I ever know about this cloth? I mean, I don't know. I mean, a lot of things. When I've grown up, my wife's modern, everybody else is modern around me. So where's this cloth? I remember today, I haven't kind of said this to anybody during this film. I don't know, you know, the whole thing of Radhika, the way I set it up in my head was when I was very young, my mother, we used to have a house with a courtyard outside. And my mother used to sit outside. I never understood why she was sitting outside. And there used to be a cloth hanging there. I never understood what that cloth was. And she never used to come into the kitchen and everything else. So I used to take a similar cloth. I used to go to the loo, and I used to bring the cloth and hang it next to her. You know, I thought it was something you need to have. It's a kind of a rule. So I used to have a dirty cloth along with hers on the side. And I will never forget that all my life. I know the process. I know they say, don't touch, get up, this thing, everything. So it's just the memories all of us have gone through, seen our sisters, mothers, wives, somewhere around us going through this thing. You know, and I think it's about being sensitive. Today I understand. Today, but I still can't talk to my mother. I know now what you went through. I can't say that to her. I hope I will be able to after this film. You know?
I'd then like to ask, actually, before anyone else, because we have time for just one more question. Instead of Prerna, I think I'll go to Arjun, and I'll like to ask him. How does it feel? Because अभी तो रुस्तम के लिए इनको national award मिल गया. कल आपको एक best film का किताब मिला है with Toilet. How does it feel to be a part of a film जो बहुत सारे लोगों की सोच बदलेगा? Is there a special place in your heart for producing this?
Before he starts, I mean, let me tell you about Kriyaj. They've never asked me a question. They've always said, okay, you're making it, we are in it. Whether it's Rustam, whether it's Toilet, Padman, or be Aage Jaye. But these guys, they believe in what I want to make, and thank you very much, Kriyaj, for that. Go ahead.
Akshay ji, can he please answer the question, please? Arjun.
Well, thank you, Akshay, for saying that. I mean, for any one of us, it's just a huge honor when Mr. Akshay Kumar seats us on a table and asks us that Arjun ye karega, and there is no other answer but yes, because we know what he's doing, we know what he's been doing for all these many years, and now especially the run that he's having now and what he's doing for the country, for the world really, along with gentlemen like Mr. Balki and Twinkle Ma'am, of course. You know, there's one thing that I noted when Twinkle Ma'am brought up something and Radhika said something. There are 5 women on stage and 5 men on stage. You know, I don't think this would have been possible a few years ago. this is equality. And I'm sure, you know, going down the road, we'll have more women and less men. It's so beautiful to see this. Balki sir just narrated an incident, what happened with his mother, and all of us have gone through something like this. So seeing this happen today, where we are making this awareness happen through films like this, it's a very proud moment for us to be associated with this, and I'm just thankful.
And
Thank
to
you.
also end with this, I also want to thank Sony International, who's come on this. मैं साथ में Sony का board देखता हूँ, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है that now I'm making a film with Sony, so I am very, very thankful, Vivek, for trusting in this and coming it, and I hope this project, you especially, take it everywhere.
Akshay ji, on your right.
This is the last question.
अक्षय जी on your right, यहाँ पर, यहाँ.
Go ahead.
अक्षय जी, हमने देखा है कि हमारे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में 99% एक्टर ऐसे हैं जो अपने सफ़ेद बालों को छुपाने में ज़्यादा बिलीव रखते हैं, लेकिन आप हैं कि सारी दुनिया में मीडिया के सामने आ जाते हैं, कोई खास वजह?
वो लोग छुपाते हैं?
हाँ जी, हमारे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री
वो
में
उनके बारे में मैं कैसे बताऊं भैया, मैं तो नहीं छुपाता, मैं तो आ जाता हूँ.
कोई खास वजह? लेकिन
हाँ जी,
कोई खास वजह?
Yeah, because he's a superhero. Can I?
तो आप कह रहे हो मैं छुपाऊं?
नहीं,
अरे यार, तुझे तो खुश होना चाहिए यार, मैं जैसा हूँ वैसे ही आ जाता हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल.
हाँ तो बस वैसे ही हूँ. अब उसमें खास वजह क्या हो सकती है? उसमें वजह नहीं है बेटा, ऐसे ही आ जाता हूँ मैं.
ट्विंकल जी.
Last question.
All right.
ट्विंकल जी.
Hi Vivek. Hi. Congratulations. We are doing producers. Actually, finally, Columbia Pictures is back in India. Finally, actually, congratulations on the fresh start. And it's been quite some time. It's been 10 years since we saw Columbia Pictures coming to India.
Right.
A great film to be associated with. What are the long-term plans here?
Thank you. With Padman, we're actually ramping up our production here in India, and we're really happy to partner with Akshay sir, Twinkle ma'am, Balki, and thanks to Kriyaj for taking us on this journey with them. For us, this is one of the many films that we would like to do, but this is a special film for us, and we're really happy that this is the first one that we're kind of going out with in 2018. As far as our plans are concerned, you know, we can talk about that at a later platform, but today it's a celebration about this film and this song, and I think that's what we're really happy to partner with today. So thank you everybody for making us part of the journey.
Yep. Amit, I'd like to ask you that because anthems bante hain Spider-Man pe, Superman pe, whatever. You had to make it on Padman. Was that a very big responsibility? आपने कैसे इसको निभाया है with God?
Okay, first of all, मुझे ये कहना है कि I am very, very happy and very proud that I am associated with a film like this, and personalities like these. Where Akshay, this was my first film with Akshay sir, Twinkle ma'am, and Balki. I have worked with Balki sir where he was a producer with Gauri's film. So this will be my first film. So I am very, very honored and proud actually to begin with. And yes, talking about the songs, the Padman song is, of course, I have only followed Balki sir's vision. I have an entire film, all the songs are very much integral part of the film and the narrative. And we've just jammed together, me, Balki sir and Kausar. We three have jammed together and only done what the film is needed, film requires, and hopefully we've done justice to that. आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई, आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया, आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई, आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया। हो तेरे कांधे का जो तिल है, हो तेरे सीने में जो दिल है, हो तेरी बिजली का जो बिल है, आज से मेरा हो गया। हो मेरे ख्वाबों का अंबर, हाँ मेरी खुशियों का समंदर, हो तेरे पिन कोड का नंबर, आज से मेरा हो गया। Thank you.
May this film fly and touch many hearts. Thank you so much, Team Padman. God bless each and every one of you to put your heart, soul, and minds together for this.
अच्छा दिन है, अच्छा दिन है, हॉलिडे है, लोग आएंगे।